Ain't no mercy, ain't no mercy.
Thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY, I guess they call it, on how to make a GoPro license plate bracket. So that way you can take your license plate off if you're at the mall, if you have a custom plate like I do, and you don't want someone to steal it. And so you have a track day, you can pop it off, or you just want to be crazy on the road and not have a license plate, you can just take it off. So this video will show you how to make one. I'm going to show you everything you need. It's pretty simple, pretty basic. I haven't seen another video like this on how to do one. So this should be fun. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Alright, so here's my license plate. You guys can see it because I really don't care. So what I did was I just got some tape, covered up the holes, got a little green marker, and just colored it in. So that way it looks that way you don't see the holes. So what you're gonna need. Alright, so what I did was I mounted the GoPro piece already right here. That way you could do your film, or we're gonna use this for the license plate bracket. So what you're gonna need is, you're gonna need this piece, and I'm gonna show you how to take this apart. You're gonna need a GoPro quick mount, quick release, and you're gonna need one of these. You're gonna need a 1/4 inch, one bolt, one nut, screwdriver, and a drill, because you gotta drill a hole. Take one of these, and what you're gonna do is get a screwdriver, and you can just like pry it open. This part comes apart, see? So once you get that off, you don't need this no more. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to drill a hole on your license plate. So just line it up in the middle. Take your drill and just mark it. So that's where your hole's gonna be, and that's where you're gonna put your bolt. So your bolt's gonna kind of go in the middle of your tag, but that's okay because no one's really gonna notice it. But alright, so now drill your hole through your plate. There it is. Okay, so now that you have your little screw through here, can't really tell that there's a screw in there because of the color of the tag. So now you're going to take this, you're going to put this on, you're going to put this nut on. Alright, so let's tighten this up so that way it doesn't move around, because more likely it's going to move around. Okay, and once you got that put on, that way it doesn't move, and it's straight. Take your GoPro mount, and your bracket's gonna be like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on like this. That piece on, looks like that, simple. Now let's go put it on. And there it is. You want to hide it? You want to show it? Is it gonna hit? It might hit, but what you could do is just fold it down, sit on the bike, see where you need to adjust it at, and that's it. Pop it off, nice and clean. Fold this down, throw it in your backpack if you're going to the mall. That way you're not afraid that someone's gonna take your plate, especially if it's a custom plate. Alright, and that's it. That's how you do it. Just want to tell you guys thank you for watching. And yes, I'm still doing the giveaway at 300 subs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.